excited. We thought that the commission will ask the guy who speaks about the list that where did you get the list? Simple. If you got it from Obakeng, show us. If you got it from president of the EFF, show us. According to us, there's no leader of the EFF who have sent the list to anyone. And we are challenging anyone who have evidence of a leader.
I'm like a channel in South Central. Namuntlha hi ta va hi kha hi vulavula hi EFF edorobeni ra Tshwane, laha MMC wa Agriculture na Environment a nga nyika sayiti ra yena ra xitori, laha a nga hlamusela ku vona tanihi EFF a ku na xilo lexi yena a xi tivaka xo biha vandla ri nge le ku xi endleni eka municipality, laha a nga kombisa ku tanihi EFF a hi vanhu lava va nga ta attack-a ti-whistleblower. Ti-whistleblower hi to ti lavekaku eka masipala ku ta herisa vugungundzwana, laha a nga vula marito mo kahle swi kahle ku va na vanhu va ti-whistleblower ene a ku fanelanga ku attackiwa vanhu va ti-whistleblower because hi vona va endlaku ku mintirho ya vugungundzwana or ya titsotsi yi hela, laha a nga mahlweni a kombisa ku loko ku ri kini ku na munhu loyi wa EFF a nga tinghenisa eka vugungundzwana, a ku nge yimeliwi khoto, u ta rhanga u ta ti humela hi yexe eka phati then a ta vuya loko se a ti basisile. A nge yimeli no hlongoliwa hi phati, u ta huma hi yexe a ta vuya loko se a ti basisile, laha a nga mahlweni a kombisa ku a ku na xo biha vo va nga xi endla hi ku na tikhampani a va na tona. Swi vula ku a hi nge kumi lava ngo mani wa EFF u teki khampani ya yena a yi nyiketa thendara hi ku tikhampani a va na tona, laha a nga kombisa ku na information leyi nyikiwaka le ka Madlanga a hi information yo twala, hi ku munhu u fika le ka Madlanga a kombisa ku swimanimani u endli swa so mara proof a yi kona. A hi yingiseleni Obakeng loko a nyika sayiti ra yena ra xitori. Kombela mi subscribe, mi like, mi commenta, a hi tlangeni video.
Let me start also adding on I have a bit of a flu, I'm sorry about that. On the Spitz, I even forget the name. On the Mr. Spitz issue, I agree that he sits here, and what is worrying is that there was never an issue that was raised with the MECO, never, unless if it was the MECO that I haven't attended. But with that being said, we won't victimize the whistleblowers, but we also promote that if there are officials of the city who have issues that are happening in this institution, they must raise it within the institution before they can go out. They must have confidence to this institution, because we have done that before, where there were issues and officials reported them, and there were action that have been taken to this time. The list, you know, I don't know, it's just that maybe when the name EFF comes, people just get excited. We thought that the commission will ask the guy who speaks about the list that where did you get the list? Simple. If you got it from Obakeng, show us. If you got it from president of the EFF, show us. According to us, there's no leader of the EFF who have sent the list to anyone. And we are challenging anyone who have evidence of a leader of the EFF who have sent the list to bring it on the table. The guy who was testifying speaks about a municipality called Matthew Posa. He speaks about many issues there that I personally don't agree with. But because it's EFF, you must agree, even there are no facts, there's no evidence. People goes around. Actually, at some point, there were allegations in the procurement that people will go around and say, give me this tender, we are representing the ANC, we are representing the EFF, we are representing Action SA. Action SA is mentioned there, and I'm glad that I saw they've written a letter to Madlanga to ask the CFO who gave you the list. We are also challenging the CFO, which leaders of the EFF that does the CFO speaks about that he have met. We've never met and discussed the list. We are sitting here, our souls are clear. We don't know anything. We know that we are suspects number one. And we are happy that we are not part. People are bothered that we are not part. They thought we were going to be the first. We don't have companies, nothing that you can get from us. You can try and go around, try to find the EFF in this thing. We are not part. We are supporting this budget. Insourcing of security guards was done by us in 2016. You forgot. 1,300 was insourced by the EFF, dealing with the DA to say, we vote with you, you insource security guards, and it was done. We are now approaching the second phase, and we are going to make sure that it happens. Part of our vote to this coalition is to say, as partners, how do we insource security guards during this financial year? So you don't bother to look for the red overall. You won't get it in that Matanga. I promise you. And we want to put it here, if any leader of the EFF here in Tshwane is mentioned with allegations of corruption anywhere, that leader won't wait for you, will leave the same time that allegation is raised. That's how the EFF is. You don't wait for anything. When you see that you are compromised, you go and clear your name, you will come back when you are clean. Thank you.